Jarvis invested some money at 14% interest. Jarvis also invested $223 more than 3 times that amount at 11%. How much is invested at each rate if Jarvis receives $1,178.38 in interest after 1 year? Round to 2 decimal places if necessary. Once again, setting up this problem using a table, I have a row for 14%, a row for 11%, a row for the total. There's a column for principal, a column for rate, a column for interest. It is not known how much is invested at 14%. We're going to call that X. It is not known how much is invested at 11%. We're going to call that Y. My rate for the 14% is 0.14. My rate for the 11% is 0.11. The interest for the 14% account is 0.14x. The interest for the 11% account is 0.11y. And I do know that Jarvis earned $1,178.38 in total interest. One of my equations is going to be the interest equation. 0.14x plus 0.11y equals 1,178.38. The other equation is going to come from a sentence in the actual problem. Jarvis also invested $223 more than 3 times that amount at 11%. Remember, the amount at 14% interest is X. The amount at 11% interest is Y. So this equation is going to be Y equals 3X plus 223. That's the amount at 11%, 3 times the 14% amount plus 223. Here I've transferred that second equation onto the same page as the table. Y equals 3x plus 223. Here are the two systems of equations. Since the second equation here is already solved for y, I am going to go ahead and use substitution. That is going to give me 0.14x plus 0.11, replacing the y, 3x plus 223 equals 1,178.38. I'm going to take this entire first equation here and multiply times 100. This is going to help me eliminate my decimals, which will give me 14x plus 11 times 3x plus 223 equals 1,17838, or 117,838. I'm going to distribute. 14x plus 11 times 3x is 33x, plus 11 times 223 is 2,453 equals 117,838. I will collect like terms on the left. 47x. Move the 2,453 to the right equals 115,385. Divide both sides by 47. X equals 2,455. To figure out y, I'm going to have y equals 3 times 2,455 plus 223 is going to give me 7,588. $2,455 is the amount invested at 14%. $7,588 is the amount invested at 11%.